Sometimes turning a small investment into something big feels like a pipe dream. But with the right mindset, patience, and strategy, it's absolutely achievable. In this video, we'll explore 15 creative ways to grow $100 into $10,000 using simple, actionable ideas. Let's dive in. Back in 1998, Michael Zapolin and Andrew Miller bought the domain beer.com for $80,000 and flipped it for $7 million a year later. Domain flipping works because businesses value short, memorable names for branding. You can start small, buying domains for $10 to $20 tied to trends or niche markets. List them on platforms like Flippa or Sato and wait for the right buyer. It takes patience, but one good sale can bring massive returns. With strategic thinking, you could even invest in domains relevant to emerging industries like AI, sustainability, or local niches. Once you master the art, domain flipping can become a sustainable business model that continues to generate income. One tip to maximize your chances is to focus on local opportunities. Domains that align with upcoming trends, geographical locations, or buzzwords in tech and health can become prime real estate in the digital world. Keep your investment low and diversify your domain portfolio to minimize risk. In suburban areas, busy families are often willing to pay for convenience. With $100 for supplies, start offering car cleaning services in driveways. Build your portfolio by cleaning cars for friends and family, taking before and after photos to showcase your work. Word of mouth and online promotions will help grow your client base. Consistency and quality service can turn this into a steady income stream. As demand grows, consider adding premium services like interior detailing or eco-friendly cleaning products. Over time, you can scale up by hiring staff or offering subscription packages for regular customers. A smart strategy is to partner with local businesses, such as car dealerships or repair shops, to reach a larger audience. By offering a revenue share or discount to their customers, you can create a win-win situation while growing your brand. Plus, eco-friendly options attract environmentally conscious clients willing to pay more. Ryan Pan discovered the potential in flipping furniture after buying a used couch for $200, cleaning it, and selling it for $400. Visit thrift stores and yard sales to find items needing minor repairs. A little sanding, painting, or tightening screws can add significant value. Watch restoration tutorials and start small, reinvesting profits to scale your efforts. As you gain experience, you can explore customizations, like creating unique designs or vintage looks that attract higher-paying customers. This business allows for creativity while addressing the growing demand for affordable, stylish furniture. To take it a step further, you could focus on upcycled furniture, which combines sustainability with design. Promote your items on social media platforms or through local markets to attract buyers who appreciate unique, eco-friendly pieces. Everyone has knowledge or stories worth sharing. Writing an ebook about a niche topic like quick recipes or travel tips can generate passive income. Spend 2 to 3 weeks creating a concise, practical, or entertaining ebook, then self-publish it on platforms like Amazon Kindle. Promote it through social media and relevant communities to attract your audience. You can use free tools like Canva to design a professional cover and Google Docs to format the content. Once published, consider running small ad campaigns or collaborating with influencers to boost visibility. Ebooks offer the added advantage of scalability. Once written, they continue earning with minimal effort. Another strategy is to bundle related ebooks together or create a series, which can encourage repeat purchases. Don't forget to leverage email marketing to engage readers and build a loyal audience for future projects. Many small businesses need help reaching their audience online, but lack the expertise or time. If you're familiar with social media platforms, offer management services. Use your $100 to invest in scheduling tools or ads to showcase your skills. As you gain experience, expand your client list and increase your rates. Reputation is key, so focus on delivering consistent results. Offering analytics reports and growth strategies can set you apart from competitors. The demand for effective social media management is high, and it's a service that can evolve into a lucrative career. Additionally, specialize in a particular platform, such as Instagram or TikTok, to become an expert. Offering content creation alongside management can provide more value to clients, making your services indispensable. Selling custom-designed products is easier than ever with print-on-demand services. Create quirky designs or slogans targeting specific groups like pet lovers or gamers. Platforms like Printful handle inventory and shipping, so you can focus on creating and marketing. Test your designs with small ad campaigns and scale up as sales grow. Collaborating with influencers or running seasonal promotions can also boost sales. The beauty of print on demand is its flexibility. You can explore various products, from t-shirts to phone cases, without worrying about inventory. Another tip is to research trending niches or seasonal events to align your products with what customers are actively searching for. For instance, holiday-themed merchandise can bring a surge in sales during peak seasons. Thrifting and reselling clothes is like flipping furniture, but for fashion. Hunt for unique items at thrift stores and give them a fresh twist with some creativity. Simple skills like sewing or dyeing garments can make a big difference. Look for vintage or designer pieces that have hidden value. As you gain experience, invest in higher quality items for bigger profits. Social media platforms like Instagram and TikTok are great for marketing your creations, as they allow you to showcase before and after transformations. Over time, you can build a brand around sustainable and affordable fashion. Adding a personal touch, such as hand-painted designs or custom embroidery, can make your items stand out. Partnering with local boutiques to display your pieces can also help expand your reach. Subjects like math, science, and languages are always in demand. Use your knowledge to help students struggling with specific topics. Build trust through consistent teaching and create personalized lesson plans. Your $100 can be used for marketing materials or online ads. Over time, tutoring can grow into a reliable income source. You can also expand into creating online courses or video tutorials, reaching a broader audience and generating passive income. Platforms like Zoom or Google Meet make it easy to teach students remotely, further increasing your potential market. Consider specializing in test preparation, such as SATs or language exams, to charge premium rates. Building an online presence through educational blogs or YouTube tutorials can also attract more students. Start a YouTube channel, blog, or podcast with $100 for basic equipment, like a microphone or small ads. Focus on building an audience by creating valuable and engaging content. Sponsors and businesses are willing to pay for access to your audience. Micro-influencers with small but loyal followings often have better engagement rates than large creators, making this a lucrative option. To maintain growth, post consistently and interact with your audience. Content creation also allows for diversification. You can explore partnerships, merchandise, or exclusive memberships to increase revenue streams. Leveraging platforms like Patreon can help monetize your audience directly by offering exclusive content to subscribers. Regularly analyzing what works best for your audience will ensure long-term success. Spend weekends scouting thrift stores or garage sales for hidden gems like vintage decorations or collectibles. Use tools like eBay's sold listings to check resale value. Start small, flipping items with clear appeal, and reinvest your earnings in higher value products. This side hustle teaches you how to spot trends and think creatively. As you become more experienced, you can specialize in niches like electronics, books, or antiques, which often have dedicated buyer communities. Networking with collectors or attending trade shows can further enhance your profits. For added success, focus on creating compelling product descriptions and high-quality photos to attract buyers online. Offering bundles or discounts on multiple purchases can encourage higher sales volumes. Whether you can write, design, edit, or record voiceovers, there's always demand for freelancers. Start with a skill you're good at and create a portfolio with $100. Offer a few free or low-cost projects to build credibility, then promote your services on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr. Reinvest earnings into tools or training to improve your craft. Diversifying your services, such as offering packages or additional skills, can help attract more clients. Freelancing not only generates income, but also builds valuable connections that can lead to bigger opportunities. Specializing in high-demand niches like SEO writing or UX design can help you stand out. Investing in certifications or attending workshops can also increase your credibility and earning potential. Trading can be risky, but with discipline, it's possible to grow your money over time. Start by learning the basics of trading and market analysis using free resources. Platforms with low fees allow you to begin with $100. Focus on micro trades, reinvest profits, and keep a journal to refine your strategy. Patience and consistency are crucial to long-term success. Exploring less volatile options like ETFs or mutual funds can provide more stable returns. Over time, your knowledge and confidence will grow, enabling you to make more strategic investments. Consider using demo accounts to practice before investing real money. Joining trading communities can also provide valuable insights and mentorship. Event planning combines creativity with organization. Start small by helping friends and family plan gatherings. Use your $100 to create marketing materials or rent supplies. As your network grows, so will your income. Eventually, you can hire a team to handle logistics while you focus on the big picture. Offering themed or customized events can set you apart in a competitive market. Building partnerships with local vendors or venues can also help you deliver better experiences at lower costs, increasing your profit margins. To stand out, create detailed portfolios showcasing your previous events, and collect testimonials from satisfied clients. Word of mouth is powerful in this industry. With $100, you can invest in fractional shares or ETFs. These options diversify your risk and allow you to start small. Reinvest dividends and stay consistent with your contributions. While it takes time to see significant returns, disciplined investing can steadily grow your wealth. Learning about different sectors and trends can help you make informed decisions. For beginners, apps like Robinhood or Acorns provide user-friendly platforms to get started. The key is to avoid emotional reactions to market fluctuations and stay focused on your long-term goals. Affiliate marketing lets you earn commissions by promoting products. Use your $100 for ads driving traffic to your blog or social media page. Choose a niche you're passionate about and focus on building trust with your audience. While it takes time to gain traction, the potential for steady income makes this a worthwhile investment. Creating engaging content around the products you promote can enhance credibility. Tracking your performance with analytics tools helps you optimize strategies and maximize earnings. Over time, affiliate marketing can become a passive income source with the right effort and persistence. These ideas prove that turning $100 into $10,000 isn't just a fantasy. Each method requires effort, creativity, and consistency, but the results can be life-changing. Choose the one that aligns with your interests and skills. and take the first step today.